You've built your online business, you're ready to go, but where are the customers? Feeling stuck before that crucial first sale? You are not alone. That first customer feels impossible to get sometimes. But what if you could stop waiting and make your first online sale today? This video reveals the simple, actionable strategies that actually work to help you land that foundational first customer and get your momentum rolling. Getting your first customer online is a huge milestone. It's proof of concept, validation that your idea has potential. But many new entrepreneurs get stuck in this phase, endlessly tweaking their website or social media without focusing on the direct actions that lead to a sale. They're waiting for customers to appear, instead of actively finding them. Imagine the feeling of getting that first notification. You've got a new order, or payment received. That first sale is just one step away, and it doesn't have to take weeks or months of waiting. You can make your first online sale today by focusing on direct action. It's about connecting with the right people and making a compelling offer they can't ignore. These are the strategies that bypass the endless waiting game and help you get your first customer online right now. How do you land that very first online customer? It starts with talking directly to potential customers, not just broadcasting. Offer your solution to someone you know, or someone in a community you're part of, who has the problem you solve. Make it easy for them to say yes, maybe even with a special offer for early adopters. Don't wait for them to find you through complex marketing funnels. Make a direct, personal connection. Focus on solving one person's problem exceptionally well. These are the working strategies to get first online customer. Getting your first customer online is the spark that ignites your online business. It builds confidence and provides invaluable feedback. Stop waiting. Take action with these strategies and aim to make your first online sale today. Ready to stop waiting and get your first customer online with proven strategies? Check out my other videos for more detailed guidance on online business for beginners, first customer acquisition and strategies to get first online customer faster.